The expression "to fight your own battles" means to handle your own problems or challenges without relying on others to fight them for you. It emphasizes personal responsibility, independence, and the ability to tackle difficulties head-on. The social impact of this phrase depends on the context in which it is used. It often suggests empowerment, encouraging individuals to take charge of their lives and face adversity. However, it can also imply that someone should not expect others to solve their problems, which could be seen as harsh or unsympathetic in certain situations. This phrase is informal and is typically used in casual conversations rather than formal settings. It is common in personal, social, or familial contexts where emotional support or encouragement is involved. To inspire someone to take responsibility for their actions or difficulties. When suggesting to someone that they should handle their problems independently,